My name is Jennifer Martin, and I'm here today to talk to you about the process of dividing retirement assets during a divorce. Like all assets, retirement accounts are divided into community property or separate property. Unlike most other assets, however, retirement accounts often commingle community property and separate property interests, especially if they were opened before the marriage. In that case, the interests must be calculated and separated before the accounts can be divided. This can be an extremely complex process. Pensions can present even more difficulty in that their value is not immediately apparent. In most cases, an expert will have to be retained to value the pension before it can be divided between the parties. All retirement assets are divided through a special court order called a Qualified Domestic Relations Order, or QDRO. This order must not only be signed by the judge, but must also be approved by your plan's administrator before it can go into effect. Because of this, the order must be first sent to the plan's administrator for review before it gets sent to the court for signature. Completing the QDRO is a separate but parallel process that takes place at the time the judgment is signed or immediately after. You should never delay beginning the process because the account cannot be divided until a signed QDRO is received by your plan's administrator. QDROs are exceptionally complex and should always be drafted by a qualified attorney.